In this video, we listed the 5 best LCD microscope on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Andonstar AD249SM Microscope. The Andonstar AD249SM Plus is a versatile video microscope designed for high-definition imaging and portability, featuring a trinocular drawtube and a magnification ratio ranging from 1500x to 3000x. Constructed from durable metal, this model is certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS standards, ensuring quality and safety. It boasts a 4-megapixel imaging sensor and offers multiple lens options, including lens A, 18-720x, lens D, 1800-2040x, and lens L, 60-240x. With a minimum focus distance of just 4 mm, users can enjoy video output options up to UHD 2880 by 2160 at 24 fps, along with a maximum photo resolution of 4032 by 3024. The device supports USB power, features a 7-inch or 10-inch screen, and includes a range of accessories such as a metal stand, multiple lenses, remote control, and cables for enhanced usability. Ideal for both professional and educational settings, the AD249SM Plus combines advanced technology with user-friendly features for detailed observation and analysis. Number 2. TOMLOV DM9 Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 is a high-definition, handheld digital microscope that boasts a magnification ratio ranging from 500x to 1200x, making it ideal for various applications such as micro-soldering, observing small organisms, and examining coins. Featuring a 7-inch rotatable LCD screen capable of 1080p resolution, this microscope ensures a detailed and comfortable viewing experience while minimizing eye and neck strain. Its robust design includes a solid aluminum alloy construction for durability, and it supports direct connection to PCs running Windows or Mac OS for larger-scale observation and data sharing. The device is equipped with a 12-megapixel camera, LED light sources, and a microSD card for storage, providing significant versatility in usage. Additionally, the microscope comes with a replaceable lithium battery and essentials like a remote control and USB cable for convenience. Number 3. Andonstar AD407 Microscope. The Andonstar AD407 is a portable 7-inch LCD digital microscope designed for a variety of applications, including hobbyist activities, soldering, and educational purposes. With a magnification range of 1 to 270x, users can easily view intricate details of specimens such as coins, plants, and other small objects. It features a binocular drawtube, ensuring comfort during use, along with an adjustable stand that allows for optimal angles while minimizing reflections common in traditional vertical microscopes. The device supports connectivity to PCs for displaying images on larger screens, although it does not support Mac OS. Additionally, the microscope is equipped with an 8 LED light system for enhanced visibility and supports up to a 128GB microSD card for saving images and videos. The build materials are metal, adhering to various certification standards such as CE, FCC, and RoHS, making it a reliable choice for both adults and children interested in exploration and learning. Number 4. TOMLOV DM9 SE Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 SE is a high-definition USB digital microscope designed for versatile applications such as coin inspection, electronic repairs, and educational exploration. Featuring a large 7-inch rotatable LCD screen and a powerful 12MP camera, it offers magnification capabilities ranging from 50x to 1200x, delivering crisp images and smooth 1080p video at 60 frames per second. Their microscope is equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights that enhance visibility, while its ergonomic design allows for easy manipulation of angles and heights. Users can conveniently capture images and videos using a remote control, minimizing camera shake. It connects effortlessly to PCs without the need for additional software, making it compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. The included 32GB microSD card can store thousands of images, providing ample space for data analysis and sharing. With its durable aluminum alloy construction and user-friendly features, the TOMLOV DM9 SE is an excellent tool for discovering the intricacies of the micro world. Number 5. Andonstar AD206S Microscope. The Andonstar AD206S is a versatile LCD digital microscope designed for precision tasks such as PCB and phone repairs, featuring a 7-inch dual-screen display and a 2MP imaging sensor that provides high-definition visuals. This handheld, portable device boasts adjustable accessories including a bracket and dual LED lights, enhancing its usability across various applications by delivering 3D effects. Constructed from durable metal and plastic, the microscope is equipped with industrial-grade lenses that include UV filters to protect against dust and heat during soldering. It supports video output in multiple resolutions, up to FHD 1920 by 1080, and allows for photo capture with a maximum resolution of 12 MP. With a focus range of 2 cm to 17 cm and the capability to store images on a microSD card, the AD206S is suitable for a wide range of applications, including industrial inspection, educational use, and even skin and hair analysis. The package includes essential accessories such as an endoscope, metal stand, IR remote, and more, making it a comprehensive tool for both professional and personal use.